Mathematics. Lesson number 1. Geometrical construction. Angle bisector. You see the figure of angle ABC alongside. An angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Is ray BM the bisector of angle ABC? Perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Draw a line segment PS of length 4 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector. Name it line CD. How will you verify that CD is the perpendicular bisector? Measure of angle CMS is equal to 90 degrees. Is length of PM equal to length of SM? The property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. 1. Draw any DPQR. Use a compass to draw the bisectors of all three of its angles. Extend the bisectors, if necessary, so that they intersect one another. These three bisectors pass through the same point, that is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence I. Note that the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Draw perpendiculars IA, IB and IC, respectively, from I onto the sides of the triangle, PQ, QR and PR. Measure the lengths of these perpendiculars. Now that IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. Construction of a triangle. Steps. 1. According to the rough figure, segment XY of length 6 cm is drawn as the base. As length XZ is 5 cm, draw an arc on one side of segment XY with the compass open to 5 cm and with its point at X. Next, with the point at Y and the compass open to 4 cm, draw an arc to cut the first arc at Z. Draw segments XY and YZ. Congruence of segments. If given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. Activity 1. Take any box. Measure the length of each of its sides. Which of them are congruent? Activity 2. From the shape shown below, write the names of the pairs of congruent line segments. Segment AB is equal to segment BC. Segment AE is equal to segment BH. Segment EF is equal to segment HG. Segment DF is equal to segment CG. Congruence of angles. The congruence of angles does not depend on the length of their arms. It depends upon the measures of those angles. Draw two angles, angle LMN and angle XYZ of 40 degrees each as shown in the figure. Trace the arms of angle LMN and the names of the points on a transparent paper. Now lift the transparent paper and place the angle you obtain on angle XYZ. Observe that if point M is placed on Y and ray MN on ray YZ, then ray ML falls on ray YX. We can infer that angles of equal measure are congruent. The congruence of angles does not depend on the length of their arms. It depends upon the measures of those angles. That angle LMN is congruent with angle XYZ is written as angle LMN is congruent angle XYZ. Congruence of circles. What time does this clock show? It's 3 o'clock. What is the measure of the angle between its two hands? 90 Celsius. At which other times Is the angle between the hands congruent with this angle? 9 o'clock. Circles of equal radii are congruent circles.